Mediterranean type of climate. So I said 3-4 things on this. Okay, number one, it's a phenomena of the west coast. West coast. This is a type of transition climate. It is best for, I said 38, 40 degrees, 45 degrees, 48 degrees. इस range में होता है. Okay, just beyond the subtropical high pressure. This is the latitude at which we have, and this happens because of shifting pressure belts and shifting winds associated with a seasonal shift of sun. Okay, it is a phenomena of the west coast only of the west coast. It's a transition type of a climate. And this happens at what latitudes? ये range approximately 38, 40, 45, 48 degree latitudes. North में भी है and south में भी. North and south of the equator. It happens why? It happens because of shifting pressure belts and shifting winds associated with the seasonal shift of the sun. Seasonal shift of the sun. Say this is your continent and this is subtropics. This is subtropics. Say 30 degrees. Okay, north. Say ये subtropical areas हैं. In this area you have northeast trades. Okay, say northeast trades को I will color as this. Northeast trades, and here we have the westerlies. And this latitude क्या latitude है? This is, I said, approximately 38, 40, 48. Okay, उस range में है approximately. This is how it is. This is the normal conditions. This is normal conditions. Okay? Are you all aware of the sun can move north and south? When the sun moves north, all the winds will move north. When the sun moves south, all the winds will move south. So now say now you have a summer season. The same diagram I'm drawing here. And this is the subtropical latitudes. Say I have northern summers. अब northern summers में क्या होगा? All the winds will move up. Are you aware of this part? So when the winds move up, what will happen is these subtropical, ये जो northeast trades हैं, the northeast trades will now come from here. They'll come from here. They've all gone north. Just for the sake of differentiation, I will say this is where we have the high pressure. अब क्या हुआ? It has gone upwards. The high pressure is say here. So what happens here? ये जो belt था, पहले क्या था? The winds were onshore winds. Okay. Now you have the offshore trade winds, and these westerlies have gone, okay, northwards. They have gone here. Westerlies were here. Now the westerlies have gone north. So in this latitude, okay, what do I have now? I have got onshore winds or I have got offshore winds? Offshore winds. And again I have winters. Say now I have winters. Now I have northern winters. Northern winters में क्या हुआ? Okay, northern winters में. Now this belt has come down. So this belt has now come down. Okay, the trade winds are back where they were, and the westerlies are back where they were. So what happens here? So in northern summers, so if you look at this part here, in this part, यहां पर क्या है? In the northern summers, this part has offshore trade winds. यहां पर क्या है? This is onshore westerlies. Is it okay? How the winds systems goes north and comes back, goes north and comes back. So if I have offshore trade winds, what does it mean? This means this is dry conditions. If I have onshore westerlies, what do this mean? This means it is rainy and it is moist. It is rainy and it is moist. This is the character of the Mediterranean climate. So it is because of the shifting pressure belts and the shifting winds associated with seasonal shift of the sun. So fifth point here is, so Mediterranean climate कैसा होता है? This is dry in summers because of offshore trade winds, and this is moist and rainy in the winters because of onshore westerlies. Dry in summers and moist, rainy. This is only in the Western Europe. Remember the latitude. Latitude क्या है? Look at the latitude. Latitude is 38, 40, 45. इस range की latitude में होता है. It happens in this range of latitudes, north and southern hemisphere. The other factors. The impact of shifting belt is found everywhere, in all places. ठीक है? Not just in this part. But यहाँ पर, this is the type of impact that we have.